Albert Einstein, 1879–1955, was a theoretical physicist who revolutionized our understanding of the fundamental laws of the universe. Here is a brief overview of his life, research, and findings. Early life, birth and childhood. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, in the Kingdom of Württemberg in the German Empire. His parents were Hermann Einstein, a salesman and engineer, and Pauline Koch. Education. Einstein showed an early aptitude for mathematics and physics. He attended the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology, ETH, in Zurich, where he studied physics and mathematics. Career and scientific contributions. Special theory of relativity, 1905. Einstein's annus mirabilis, miracle year, was 1905 when he published 4 groundbreaking papers. Special theory of relativity introduced the famous equationau E=mc², which states that energy, E, is equal to mass, m, times the speed of light, c². The theory also proposed that the laws of physics are invariant, unchanged, for all observers in uniform motion relative to each other. Photoelectric effect, 1905. Einstein explained the photoelectric effect, showing that light can be both a wave and a particle, dual nature. This work contributed to the development of quantum theory. Brownian motion, 1905. Einstein explained the random motion of particles in a fluid, known as Brownian motion, providing evidence for the existence of atoms and molecules. General theory of relativity, 1915. Building on his special theory, Einstein developed the general theory of relativity, which explained gravity as the curvature of space-time caused by mass. This theory predicted phenomena like gravitational time dilation and the bending of light around massive objects. Einstein's Nobel Prize, 1921. Einstein was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921, primarily for his explanation of the photoelectric effect. Quantum mechanics controversy. Einstein was uncomfortable with certain aspects of quantum mechanics, famously saying, "God does not play dice with the universe." He engaged in debates with quantum theorists like Niels Bohr. Later, life and legacy. Emigration. Einstein left Germany in 1933 due to the rise of the Nazis and settled in the United States, where he accepted a position at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey. Later scientific work. Einstein continued to work on various scientific problems, including attempts to unify the fundamental forces of the universe, but he did not achieve a successful unified theory. Humanitarian and political activism. Einstein was an advocate for civil rights, pacifism, and Zionism. He was offered the presidency of Israel in 1952, but declined. Death. Albert Einstein died on April 18, 1955, in Princeton, New Jersey. Albert Einstein's contributions to physics have had a profound and lasting impact on the scientific community, shaping the way we understand the fundamental nature of space, time, and energy.